Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS. What's new and should you upgrade? Ubuntu's latest point release is here. A refreshed installer, a newer kernel, and a graphics stack that promises better hardware support and gaming performance. Let's unpack what changed and whether you should install it today. Canonical's long-term support release, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, Noble Numbat, now has an updated point release, 24.04.4. It bundles a newer hardware enablement stack, so new installs need far fewer updates out of the box. What's new? Quick summary. The headline. The HWE hardware enablement for 24.04.4 ships with Linux kernel 6.17. That adds support for newer CPUs and chipsets and improves device compatibility. The graphics stack is updated to Mesa 25.2, bringing newer drivers and performance improvements especially useful for gaming and modern GPUs. Why that matters. Newer kernels widen hardware support. If you bought a PC in the last year or two, you'll see fewer driver hassles during install. Mesa updates mean better open-source GPU support and faster graphics in many titles that rely on Mesa drivers. What's included on the ISO? The 24.04.4 ISO is an up-to-date install image. It rolls thousands of package updates and security fixes into the installer, so new systems don't need to download everything post-install. Upgrade guidance. Should you install or upgrade? If you're setting up a new machine, download the 24.04.4 desktop or server ISO and install. You'll save time installing updates. If you already run Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, you can opt into the HWE stack to get the newer kernel and Mesa without reinstalling. For most desktop users who need newer hardware support or better GPU performance, enabling HWE is beneficial. Support timeline and long-term picture. Ubuntu 24.04 LTS continues to receive standard security maintenance through 2029. For organizations or users who want extended commercial-grade coverage, Ubuntu Pro can extend maintenance of the full archive beyond that window. What's next? The LTS roadmap. Canonical is scheduled to release the next LTS, Ubuntu 26.04 Resolute Raccoon, in April 2026. If you prefer to stay on LTS but want newer features later, that release will be the next major milestone. Quick demo install notes. Head to the official Ubuntu downloads page to grab the ISO. If you plan to upgrade in place, check the hardware enablement HWE documentation and back up important data first. Conclusion. Ubuntu 24.04.4 is a practical, low-risk update that makes new installs easier and improves support for modern hardware. If you're building or buying a new PC, it's a good default choice. Leave a comment with your hardware questions. I'll help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye.